This Clairre blood pressure cuff set combines a manual aneroid gauge, adult cuff, and advanced stethoscope to deliver dependable readings for both clinical and home use. The stethoscope is tuned to make Korotkoff sounds and basic heart and lung tones easy to distinguish, which helps reduce guesswork when you are tracking blood pressure trends over time. A matching penlight is included, so quick checks of pupils, throat, or skin can be done without hunting for extra tools, especially in dim rooms or during night shifts. The components share a coordinated black finish that looks professional on a cart or desk and also makes it simple to keep the set together in a busy household or training lab. A sturdy zippered case protects the cuff, gauge, stethoscope, and penlight from bumps and dust, and its compact shape fits easily into a bag for travel or home visits. Taken together, this kit functions as a compact diagnostic setup that supports routine hypertension monitoring, post-hospital follow-up, and general wellness checks with reassuring consistency.